Hey guys, Dana Lynette here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So in this video, I'm just updating you guys on this faux lock hairstyle around my DIY Microlocs, which when I did the takedown, I wanted these things out of my hair by any means necessary. I was not as cautious as I should have been, and I cut about ½ an inch to an inch and a half off the bottom of most of my locks. So this is what my hair looked like before I put that style in my hair. And then at the end of the video, you'll see how my hair currently looks now that I've cut it. I don't think it's anything majorly noticeable. I didn't cry. I did cut off one lock. That was an accident, trying to cut them faux locks out my head. I didn't even wear those faux locks. This month, which, by the way, I think I just thought my hair was cute this day, and I wanted to show y'all what my bun situation was looking like using like a lunch lady hairnet on my hair to keep, because it's not actually long enough to kind of hold things in. So I have a hairnet on there, and that is the jam. I like that method. Anyway, so yeah, I accidentally cut off one lock. I was just thankful that I didn't lose more than one lock. So I'm about to show you guys the takedown of this bun, and then you'll see that you really can't notice much of a difference. My ends are more blunt now that I've cut them. They used to have like a stringy end with a tiny curl. If it was moisturized, it would be a tiny curl. But I don't have that anymore, and it does make it a little more challenging to do a braid out. I have to use rubber bands for braid outs these days, and even curling my hair, I have to really roll the bottom on itself before I finish rolling. Other than that, no harm, no foul. You know, I still have length. I still have a little bit of hang time. I'll be 3 years locked December 3rd, and today is September 9th, I think, or something like that. So yeah, it's all good. I was pretty, I was upset that I cut my hair, but I didn't let it blow out of proportion. So the faux lock style was cute, but I will not be wearing faux locks over my Microlocs anymore. Braids are fine because you make braids so much longer than your hair. You're not going to accidentally cut your hair, and you take them out from the bottom, so you're not going to accidentally cut off a lock like I did. I'm having fun in this thing, guys. My locks are so beautiful. I'm so thankful, and I appreciate this journey. Clearly, when you take your hair out of a bun, boy, it just feels good to rub your head. So excuse my facial expressions, but yeah, I'm loving this journey. I'm about that life. I am. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned because my 3-year lock update is coming up on us December. Thanks, guys.